Hello everyone, Gambler Girl here. It's coming up to Christmas, so I'm going to do just a little session. Look, we've got £50 in our balance. I'm going to do some Christmas slots, right? Now the plan is to do 5 at a tenner each. Yeah, not a tenner each, you know what I mean? Spend £10 on each, right? See how we get on. So we're going to start with this one, 9 Gifts of Christmas. I have never played this before. We've all seen this kind of grid here, haven't we? Up the left. So let's just have a little go on this, yeah? We're going to do 40 pence, right? I would do 50, but 60 might be pushing it. I only want to spend a tenner at the most. Obviously, what we actually want is to win, please. So let's see if we can get anything, because a few people have asked me, when are you going to do some Christmas slots? So here we have it. So as always, this is a UK casino. Come on. So yeah. If you can hear random slots in the background, it's my 777 machine. She's up and running at the moment, so we'll make some videos on her later. So yeah, we've got a bit of background noise as well. Right then, 3 presents, 40 pence. So the presents are going to take us up there. So ideally we want 9. What's the chance of that? And the free spin Santa have got to come in 2, 3 and 4, haven't they? Another 40 pence. Come on then. There's loads like this, isn't these epic strike ones. I do like a Christmas slot. Oh, look, some chocolate coins, look, happy days. So, let me know if you've played this. The plan is to do different ones, but as in ones you might not have seen before, but I'm not sure if they're going to be any good. So I might end up on like Christmas Big Bass and stuff now, we shall see. But I'm not going to go under 40 quid on this. Oh, it's not doing much, is it? We're going to need to get lucky, mind, in this video, but yeah. Let's see. Let's just try random Christmas slots. Oh, come on, Santa. Oh, well, we didn't get lucky on this, did we? Oh, I need to write down this. 9 Gifts of Christmas. What do we win there? 80 pence. Well, I hope you're all well, and thank you all so much for your support. You're all amazing. Thank you so much. By Christmas, I'm hoping the channel will be on 3,000 subscribers, so hit that button if you haven't, please. Right, last spin on this one. That 10, absolutely... Hang on. Hang on, we've got another spin left. Didn't last us very long, did it? Oh, hang on. Hey, 190, we're still in the mix. It's like in the 7s. Oh, I'd love to see free spins. But I like to show the base play as well of games, isn't it? The base game. It's not wanting to do much. Got Rainbow Riches in the background now. Oh, right, last couple of spins on this then. Oh, jeez. Right, I'll find another one, bring you back. Okay, next up, we're going to go for Big Christmas Present. I really like this one. I couldn't resist. 40 pence again, because it's 40 or 60, and I want this tenner to last a little bit longer, please. We shall see, though. Yeah, I really like this slot. I don't know why, because they can be horror bags, but... And I'm sorry, there isn't a gamble on this casino. There isn't the option to do it. Come on, so this is available in arcades, isn't it, this slot now? I love the big... There's lots of them in the series now, big spin games. So, little Christmassy one, come on then. We want to actually get a bonus out of one of these slots, please. Come on, the present. Show us the presents. some lemons. Maybe I was a bit ambitious, hoping I could get something out of a tenner on each. To be honest, it's just a little bit of fun, isn't it? I like playing at low stakes anyway. I think it's far more realistic. You guys seem to agree. Most of us that play are under £1. Hey, £3.40 there. Still in the mix. Come on, where's these presents anyway? It's only blinking... We haven't even had a tease yet. Oh. Oh, we've already done a fiver. Come on now. Tis the season to be jolly. Give us bonus, please. Oh my gosh. This probably isn't one of the best ones to try and get a bonus on, to be fair. Oh, come on, 2. Not even a tease. We're going to finish this one without even 2 coming in. Oh my gosh, literally last spin, guys. Oh, that was really sad. Right, let's find something else. Oh, look what I went and did now. We're on the Christmas Big Bass Bonanza. We're going to do 50 pence on this. Wish us luck. We've got 20 spins to get a bonus. Come on then. Oh, come on, fishers. You can do this. I do love a bit of Big Bass. If you're a regular of the channel, you'll know that. Oh. Oh dear, come on, we need something. This video is literally trying to see if we can get lucky from the off. That's not coming in. Oh. Well, half of our money is gone. No bonus yet. Disappointing. Oh gosh, we've only got a few spins left on this. Oh, have we even had a win yet? Go on. Can it come in from here? Oh dear. 2 spins left. Is this the shortest ever session? Last spin. Oh my gosh. Right, next. Right, I've moved over to another stinker probably. Bigger Bass Blizzard Christmas Catch. We're not doing the extra chance of scatter, so we'll do 48 pence. Wish us luck. Here we go. What can we do on this? This has been an absolute stinker of a session so far. It's going to be a really short video as well at this rate. Come on, we want to see a bonus. They're not having any of it, look. Can't get lucky early on any of these today. How to lose 50 quid in about 10 minutes, guys. Oh, oh dear. Not having any of it, is it? Come on, please. Oh dear. Oh, we got 1 slot left then. Well, these haven't been very kind to us, have they? Oh, last spin. Oh my gosh. Okay. Right. Last chance. We're going to have a go Fat Santa. I'm going to do this at 25 pence, right? Because if you've played any of these fat slots, you'll know that they can take quite a while. So the lower stake, the better, I find. Well, anyway, a little bit of fun. Let's see if we can get a Fat Santa to finish with now. That 50 quid went absolutely nowhere. But I hope you have better luck than I just did. If you play some Christmassy slots, I will be back doing another session. I'm not happy with this. I just thought I'd have a little go and see if we could get lucky from the off, but... Oh, £2. Not so far, although we're still in the mix. Come on, let's see Fat Santa. Let me know, what's your favourite Christmas slot, actually? Maybe I should do a little thing on let me know your favourite Christmas ones and we'll give them a little bash. This is kind of normal for this one, isn't it? But I love Christmas and yeah, it's a special time of year, isn't it? Not for everyone, I know. But I hope you all have a wonderful time. Oh, come on, Fat Santa. Not even a sniff of him yet. Well, this is a short session, guys. But, oh, hang on. Come back now, Santa. Yes, right, what's he bringing? Some wilds. We could have done with a Fat Santa, actually, couldn't we? With them. I'm not even sure I've ever had a bonus on this one. Oh, well, we've got £4 left, guys. £4. Santa, is he coming back? Yeah. Drop a Santa in. Oh. I don't know if he does drop Santa in as well. Don't know. Yeah, we'll definitely do a part 2 of these Christmas slots, okay? He's coming back. Come on now, we need you back again. Oh. Oh, they're all the way over there. That is no good to us, is it? Well, again, just a big thank you to everybody. I really, really do appreciate it. Don't forget, I've got competitions running lots of the time, nearly every day, on my T7 that I mentioned. Oh, there he is. Come on now. Come on, Wild. Put in. Oh, damn. So, yeah, free for you to enter. Just a little something back from me out of my pocket for you guys. So have a look at those T7 slot competitions where we're looking for jackpots. So, right, literally, how many spins left? Gosh, only a couple now. Really short and sweet, guys. 50 quid down the pan. But yeah, keep an eye out for a part 2 of this, because that is very annoying that we haven't had one bonus. Oh, come on. Nice, something nice. Presents. A couple of quid there. Oh, 142. Last few spins then. Oh, that's a shame. Sorry, guys. We will definitely try again, though. Last spin, then. Yeah, still not even enough for a spin. Right, thanks, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this, even though we didn't even get a bonus, but I will be back with part 2. Stay tuned for that. See you all soon. Bye for now.